Good morning, grade 3. Welcome back to the English class. How are you all doing today? Let's learn a new story today. The Four Friends and the Hunter from your English workbook. So the story is adapted from a Panchachandra tale. It is the story of how a crow, a goat and a mouse saved their friend a turtle from a hunter's trap. So let's read the story. All of you please turn to page number 50 in your English workbook. Now please look in your textbook and listen carefully. Once upon a time, there lived a goat, a mouse and a crow. The three of them were close friends. One day, a lovely turtle said, "I also want to join your group and become your friend." So the story is taking place in a forest. And once upon a time in a forest, a goat, a mouse and a crow were best friends. They were so close, and one day a lovely turtle came to them and asked if he can also join them. And what did they reply? "Sure, there are many hunters around the forest. What will you do to save yourself if a hunter comes?" asked the crow. So what did the crow say? The crow told the turtle that the turtle can also join them, but there are so many hunters wandering through the forest. So the crow asked the turtle, what would the turtle do if a hunter comes to catch him? How would he save himself? So let's see what the turtle replied. "Then you, my friends, can protect me," the turtle replied. So the turtle told the crow that if a hunter tries to catch the turtle, his friends, the crow, goat and mouse, can save him. The goat, the mouse and the crow agreed and accepted the turtle as their friend. So the goat, the mouse and the crow agreed to this and happily accepted the lovely turtle as their friend. One day, the crow heard cries of help. He looked around and saw that the turtle was trapped in a net. So one day, the crow was flying through the forest, and from somewhere he heard cries of help. He heard someone screaming for help. The crow looked around everywhere, and what he saw there? So there in the forest, the crow saw the turtle was trapped in a net, in a hunter's net. He quickly flew to the goat and the mouse. Soon they came up with a plan. So the crow sees the turtle being trapped in a hunter's net. So he doesn't know what to do next. He wants to save this turtle. So he immediately flew back to the goat and the mouse and he discussed the situation with them. And they came up with a quick plan, a brilliant plan. Let's see what the plan is. The crow flew away to find the hunter. He spotted the hunter coming towards the forest. The hunter went to the spot where he had laid the net and was happy to find that the turtle was trapped. He picked up the turtle and started for home. So what happened? So as per the plan, the crow went in search of the hunter. So he flew through the forest and he found the hunter walking through the forest, moving towards the point where he had laid out the net. And the crow saw that the hunter is so happy to see the turtle trapped in his net. Then the hunter picked up this turtle and then he started for home. He started walking back home. So let's see what happened next. As planned, the goat lay on the ground and pretended as if she was dead. The hunter spotted the goat and got very excited. So as the friends had planned earlier, the goat lay on the ground pretending to be dead on the way of this hunter. So the hunter was walking through the forest back to his home. And the goat was laying at a point on the ground pretending to be dead. The hunter sees the dead goat, or rather the goat that is pretending to be dead. The hunter sees this goat. He thinks that the goat is a dead one. He gets very excited and he goes near the goat. He is walking towards this dead goat now. He put the turtle on the ground and went carefully towards the dead goat. So he has this turtle in his hand. So when he saw this goat on the ground, laying on the ground, he put the turtle on the ground and then he started walking towards this dead goat. Just then, The crow flew by the hunter and tried to peck at his eyes. So as he was walking towards this god, the crow flew from somewhere and he tried to peck at this hunter's eyes. The hunter tried to shoo the crow away, but the crow did not let go of the hunter. In the meantime, the mouse nibbled the net and freed the turtle. So what happened? The crow flew towards the hunter and he tried to peck the hunter's eyes. The hunter tried to get rid of this crow. He tried to shoo this crow away, but the crow did not leave the hunter. It kept attacking him. And in the meantime, the mouse nibbled away the net in which the turtle was trapped and freed the turtle. What a brilliant plan! Once the turtle had escaped, the crow cawed, "Run away!" Immediately the god sprang up and darted into the forest. The hunter was surprised and could not make sense of what had happened. So the hunter put the turtle on the ground and he walked towards the dead god, and in the meantime the crow came attacking him. The hunter tried to shoo the crow away, and in the meantime the mouse nibbled away the hunter's net and freed the turtle. And the next moment the crow caused run away, and then the god immediately got up. He sprang into action and he ran away into the deep forest. The hunter could not understand what was happening. He thought the god was dead, but the god immediately got up and escaped into the forest. Now that the god is gone, the hunter decides to walk back towards the turtle. The hunter now went back to collect the net. He thought that the turtle would still be trapped in it. So he is walking back towards the net in which the turtle was trapped. He walks to the net thinking the turtle would still be there. But then what happened? However, he was shocked to see that the net had been nibbled through and the turtle had escaped. So he was shocked to see that the turtle is not there. Someone nibbled away the net and the turtle escaped. The hunter was confused and left the forest extremely disappointed. So the hunter could not make sense of what was happening. He did not understand what happened, how the turtle escaped, and why did the god run away into the forest. He did not understand. The four friends were very happy and stayed together forever. So as per the plan, the crow, the mouse and the god stood united and they rescued their friend turtle. And they were very happy to be back together again, and they lived happily as friends forever in the forest. So these four friends showed us unity is strength. So children, I hope you enjoyed the story. I suggest you read the story once again, and as an activity you can read the original Panchatantra tale, The Four Friends and the Hunter. So that's all for today. We'll see you in the next class. Till then, bye.